What if I told you the single most underrated fat loss tool isn't a complicated workout, a strict diet, or even a supplement? It's something you're already doing: walking. But here's the catch. Most people don't use it strategically, and they're missing out on one of the easiest ways to burn fat, boost energy, and improve long-term health. Let's be real, if you're a busy adult, the idea of adding another hour-long workout to your day can feel impossible. Between work, family, and everything else, time is the #1 barrier. But here's the good news. You don't need hours in the gym to start moving the needle. You can turn something you already do, walking, into a powerful fat loss health weapon. Stay with me because I'll break down exactly how walking, especially walking after meals, can change your metabolism, help you drop fat, and keep you energized. And the best part? You don't even need extra time in your schedule, just a few tweaks. If you're new here, welcome to Iron Phoenix Fitness, where we make fitness simple, science-based, and realistic for busy adults. Please consider subscribing, as it allows us to have the resources to provide new content. Drop a comment letting us know how much you are currently walking and your favorite path. Walking sounds too easy, right? But here's why it works. Walking burns calories without draining your ability to recover. Unlike high-intensity workouts, it doesn't beat up your joints or spike your appetite. It is something you can do consistently without having to program recovery or rest days. A 2022 review in Sports Medicine found that regular walking significantly reduces body fat percentage, especially in people who combine it with resistance training. You would be surprised by how much purposeful movement added up over the course of a day can change body composition. It also taps into your fat oxidation zone, the intensity sweet spot where your body prefers to burn fat as fuel. In other words, walking is sustainable, repeatable, and it adds up in a big way. This is the closest thing to effortless fat loss you'll find, and you already are doing it, maybe just not enough. Now let's talk strategy. Walking after meals isn't just about burning a few extra calories. It actually changes how your body processes food. A 2022 study in Diabetologia showed that a 15-minute walk after meals significantly lowered blood sugar spikes compared to sitting or walking later in the day. Why does this matter? Stable blood sugar means fewer crashes, less hunger, and less fat storage. Translation: by simply walking after meals, you're improving digestion, managing cravings, and nudging your body toward fat loss. And here's the kicker. These benefits aren't limited to people with diabetes or those who are less fit or more fit. Even healthy adults see better insulin sensitivity and improved energy from post-meal walks. So, if you've ever felt that afternoon crash after lunch, walking could be your secret weapon hiding in plain sight. So how much walking do you need? If fat loss is the goal, aim for 8,000, 10,000 steps per day. But don't stress about perfection. Even an extra 2,000 steps daily can make a difference added to whatever level you are at. For post-meal benefits, 10-15 minutes after your biggest meals is enough. That's literally the time it takes to scroll Instagram and enough time to watch your favorite Iron Phoenix fitness video, except this time, you're boosting your metabolism. Think of walking as a stackable exercise. You don't need a full hour block. Break it into 2-3 mini walks throughout the day. The secret isn't doing more, it's doing it consistently. Let's tie this back to your reality, because I know time is tight. Walking meetings. Take calls while walking instead of sitting, or get up even for a couple of minutes between meetings. It adds up. Family walks, after dinner or any meal. Take the kids or your partner out for 10 minutes. This will help blood sugar, digestion, and strengthen relationships. Here is an errand hack. Park farther away and take stairs instead of elevators so you are moving more. Micro walks. Even 5 minutes any time of day will help with energy and motivation. These aren't workouts you have to plan. They're lifestyle tweaks that fit into what you're already doing. You don't need willpower, you just need strategy. As a bonus, walking alone is great, but walking plus strength training, that's the key to maximizing your fitness results. Strength training builds muscle. Walking keeps your body in fat-burning mode without overtraining. Together, they help you keep lean muscle without hours in the gym. A 2021 meta-analysis in Nutrients found that adults who combined resistance training with walking lost more body fat while preserving lean muscle compared to cardio alone. So if you have time, hit 2 to 3 full body workouts a week. Your body will thank you and you will look and feel better. Most importantly, don't underestimate walking. It's the bridge that makes your workouts and nutrition actually stick. So here's the bottom line. Walking isn't just going for a stroll. Done right, it's one of the simplest, most effective fat loss strategies you can do, especially after meals. It doesn't require hours of your time. It just requires consistency. So here's my challenge for you. Tonight, after dinner, instead of plopping on the couch, take a 10-minute walk. Do it every night for 1 week and tell me how you feel in the comments. Post how many more steps you got this week than the past week. If this video helped you rethink walking, hit that like button. It helps us reach more busy adults like you. And if you want more strategies that save time but still get results, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because here's the truth, you don't need to do more. You need to do what matters. And walking matters more than you think. As always, our goal is to bring you real fitness advice you can use right away.